We've been working on the City Hall project since 2009. We're currently working on the stone replacement on the west and the render repair and the windows on the northern side.
Newcastle City Hall is actually built on reclaimed land on the site of an old steel foundry. It's essentially a brick building with a sandstone facade. It was only at the last minute after the contracts were signed that it was actually decided to facade the building in sandstone.
We're currently looking at replacing about 400 individual stones. That'll equate to around 70 cubic metres of stone. We're also refurbishing the steel window frames. So we'll be looking at about 1,300 individual pieces of glass being reinstalled. The stone we're using, it's a very top quality Sydney yellow block stone. So the creamy sandstone that you see being installed at the moment, that will slowly colour up to a more golden brown colour.
So the first process is to scope the building. We then go up onto the building and carefully remove the stone and the grouting and the render and the pins. At that point, we carefully get the stone up into the building. We winch it into the cavity where we pin it in place. One of the biggest problems we've got with this location is the degree of airborne salts. This is causing a lot of damage to the stone and the old steel mild pins that held it in place.
We're currently undertaking the restoration works to prolong the life of the building and ensure its use into the future.